digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Noise Airbuds Plus. Now this is what the packaging looks like. It's very minimalist. You have the Noise branding on the top left. The actual earbuds can be seen clearly in the front. And over here they mentioned that these happen to be truly wireless earphones. On the right side of the packaging, we can see that they want to advertise rather some badges or medals that they've won, and also the fact that this is designed in India. And on the other side, we have a little slogan which says, "Listen to the noise within." On the back side, we have a couple of features being highlighted, namely that it has full touch control. You get 20 hours of total playtime. That's with every single session or each time you plug it back into the case. Then you've got Instacharge, which alludes to some sort of rapid charging. And lastly, it uses a USB Type-C interface for charging. Aside from that, you have the manufacturer's contact information as well as contents written over here. And that's about it for the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So here you get to see the case, which looks very much similar to what the Apple AirPods do. You have the individual earbuds and a little accessories box at the bottom. Once you pull out the foam, you can see some documentation as well. Let's go through all of these one by one. So in the accessory box, you have additional ear tips as well as the charging cable. Since we've got the charging cable out anyways, let's go ahead and untangle it. These seem to be about 55 to 60 centimeters long. As it was written on the packaging, it uses a USB Type-C interface and a USB Type-A on the other end. Then you've got the additional ear tips. These are all in white and they're usually in large and small size. The medium ones come pre-installed. Then there's the case. You've got little magnetic action that helps you close the case, and the earpods go in quite easily. Then there's the documentation. The first thing happens to be a little instruction manual come warranty card. So you've got both terms of warranty as well as the different features being listed and how you can go about using them. Then there are some stickers with the Noise slogan and everything. And another note which has some instructions for folks who are powering this on for the very first time. And the last thing in the packaging happens to be a thank you note. And on the back, you have a little QR code which you can scan to initiate the warranty registration process. So let's look at the earbuds again. We've got a design which is remarkably similar to what Apple has for their AirPods. There's a little button at the back to wake the pods and check the charge levels. On the bottom, you have the USB Type-C interface. And like we saw previously, you've got a little magnetic action that keeps not only the earbuds on the inside, but also helps secure it or secure the lid properly. So that's it for the unboxing of the Noise Airbuds Plus. Thank you for watching.